Hey guys, are you want to buy best Wii adapters? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best Wii adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at BD&M. Wii 2 HDMI adapter. The Wii 2 HDMI converter delivers a seamless upgrade from standard AV to high-definition HDMI output. Supporting 720p, 108op resolutions with zero transmission loss. Designed for hassle-free gaming, it offers plug-down play. Simplicity: just connect your Wii console, plug into your HDMI-compatible TV or monitor, and you're ready to play. The adapter ensures excellent video clarity and smooth audio-video synchronization, with an option to connect external speakers or headsets for enhanced sound. Its stable signal transmission and HDCP compliance guarantee wide compatibility with HDMI devices, supporting all Wii display modes: NTSC 480i, 480p, PAL 576i. This converter is ideal for both casual and serious gamers. Note, this adapter is not compatible with the Wii Mini and should be connected directly to the display, not through switchers or splitters. For best results, set your Wii 2 for 820p resolution. Now our second product is Xahpower AC Power Adapter Charger. This Wii U GamePad charger is a reliable and high-quality replacement or backup power solution, specially designed for the Nintendo Wii U GamePad. With an input range of 100 to 240 volts and output of 4.75 volts, 1.6A, it's perfect for global use thanks to its auto voltage compatibility. The 7-foot cable offers plenty of length for comfortable charging, while the flame-resistant shell and built-in protection against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuiting ensures safe and long-lasting performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry or pack for travel. Whether you're replacing a broken charger or just need a spare, this adapter is an ideal gift for any Wii U fan. Plus, the brand offers responsive after-sale support through Amazon Messages, promising customer satisfaction and a quick resolution. If any issues arise, a dependable charger built for convenience and safety. Our third product is Otwet Wii HDMI Adapter. The Otwet Wii 2 HDMI Adapter Converter is a convenient solution for upgrading your Nintendo Wii to modern HD displays. It effortlessly converts your Wii's standard output into crisp HDMI, supporting both 720p and 108op resolutions for enhanced video quality. With full digital video and audio transmission and a 3.5mm audio output port, you'll enjoy seamless visuals and synchronized sound with zero signal loss. This adapter supports all Wii display modes, including NTSC 480i, 480p, and PAL 576i, making it widely compatible, though it's not an upscaler. Setup is quick and hassle-free. Plug it in. No power adapter or extra cables needed. As a bonus, it includes a 1-meter high-quality HDMI cable, so you're ready to connect right out of the box. Whether you're revisiting classics or discovering Wii games for the first time, this adapter makes HD gaming simple and accessible. Now, number 4. Cudcay Wii 2 HDMI Adapter. This all-in-one Wii 2 HDMI adapter bundle is a must-have for any Wii enthusiast upgrading to a modern setup. It includes everything you need: a plug-and-play Wii to HDMI adapter for seamless HD gaming on your smart TV, a 5-feet high-speed HDMI cable with 24,000 gold-plated connectors for stable signal transmission, a reliable AC power cord adapter to replace your old one, and an upgraded Wii sensor bar compatible with all Wii controllers and accessories. The sensor bar comes with an adhesive stand for easy setup on any screen. No drivers, no fuss, just hook it up and start playing in seconds. Whether you're reviving your classic games or gifting a complete kit to a retro gamer, This package delivers high-quality performance and convenience. It's the perfect solution to modernize your Wii experience with clearer visuals and solid reliability. And our last choice is Autoutlet Wii 2 HDMI converter. The Autoutlet Wii 2 HDMI adapter is the perfect solution for bringing your classic Wii gaming experience to modern HDTVs. With support for crisp 720p and 108p HD output. This plug-and-play converter ensures no transmission loss and delivers vibrant visuals and immersive audio. A built-in 3.5mm audio jack offers added flexibility for external speakers or headphones. It supports all standard Wii display modes PAL 576, INTSC 480i, and 480p, maintaining authentic output without upscaling. Setup is simple. Just connect your Wii to your HDTV using a single HDMI cable, no power adapter or extra cords needed. For the best results, change your Wii's resolution to 480p in settings. Note, this adapter is not compatible with the Wii Mini. Whether you're replaying your favorite titles or introducing Wii classics to new players, this adapter makes the transition to modern displays effortless. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.